This is the 8th part of the tutorial series where we make a low-poly vehicle for Unreal Engine 4. Link in the description to see the result of the completed tutorial series. Also, this tutorial is available in written format. Link to it into the description. Let's make vehicle doors openable. At first, let's bind inputs that we will use for door opening. Open the vehicle's blueprint. Add two float-type variables in it. Add door opening functionality. Open the vehicle's animation blueprint. Add two float-type variables in it. Add functionality for setting variable values. Add door bone movement functionality. Now, when we press door open keys, we can open and close vehicle's doors. Let's make an animated steering wheel. Open the vehicle's blueprint and add one float variable. Make a function which will update that variable. Hook up the new function to the tick event. Open the vehicle's animation blueprint. Add one float type variable. Add functionality for setting the variable value. Add the steering wheel bone movement functionality. Now the vehicle's steering wheel should rotate together with front wheels. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this.